Essay on National Unity Day. Introduction. National Unity Day is observed every year on 31st October. To commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and also the Home Minister of India? Sardar Patel, the man behind United India. When India gained independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the Deputy Prime Minister of India. Also holding the portfolio of the Union Home Minister. When the British left India, there were around 565 princely states that gained independence. And at that time were not in the Indian Union. Sardar Patel did a commendable job of uniting these kingdoms. With the Union of India, using either his convincing abilities or military prowess. He was very clear in his objective. That the map of India must be united. Throughout its length and breadth. Celebrations. National Unity Day is celebrated throughout the country. With great zeal and respect for Sardar Patel. In schools, special events are held. Where the children are told about the life and works of Sardar Patel. And his contribution to post-independence India. Many senior politicians also felicitate Sardar Patel and pay their respect to him. By offering flowers to his statues and portraits. Similar commemoratory events are held in offices around the country. And also in educational institutions. Conclusion. National Unity Day is a day to remember the man behind the politically united map of India. And to commemorate his birthday. Sardar Patel was incomparable to the unity of India. And the day is the least we can do to honor him. Thanks for watching the video till end. Please like and share the video. Comment your suggestions in the comment box and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.